national emergency has been set for your area. A random chimp event has started as of July 11, 2020 at 4 a.m. The governor of New Jersey has declared a state of emergency, as well as the states of Delaware, Pennsylvania, New York, and Maryland. You are advised to board up your homes or go to the nearest emergency shelter.